ostrich, desert's traveler, swift in the breeze, runs on land with wings carrying colorful dreams. Somali ostrich, flying from Somali's embrace, a song of lonely quest in dusty paths of wilderness. Triumph is its rest. Emu steps of the emu march toward distant skies, whispering dreams to earth, reaching where hope lies. Southern cassowary, jungle's majestic king, colors bright and bold. Each step beats courage as wings its stories unfold. Northern cassowary, in northern winds it writes its tale anew, facing every challenge bold and true. A tiny bird with mighty dreams in its eyes, guiding through the forest where fragrant hope lies. Great rhea, it sees of green, its colors sway, wings spread wide, building its way. Lesser rhea, a little bird with a giant aim, every dawn that lights its flame. Emperor cassowary, jungle's majestic king, colors bright and bold. Each step beats courage as wings its stories unfold. Northern cassowary, in northern winds it writes its tale anew, facing every challenge bold and true.